Good day everyone, I'm Rayana Kyle Manuel from Vitaled 2. Today, I will report about plumbing with subtitle Understanding the Basics of Water and Waste Systems. What is plumbing? Plumbing is how water moves in and out of buildings. It brings clean water in and takes dirty water out. So yun nga po, yung plumbing is sobrang halaga niya sa bahay natin because siya yung nagpapasok ng malinis na tubig and siya din yung naglalabas ng maruming tubig. Why is plumbing important? Gives us water to drink, wash, and cook. Yan nga yung mga pang-araw-araw nating ginagawa. Helps keep home clean. Removes dirty water safely. These are the main parts of plumbing. Pipes, faucets, toilets and sinks, drains. Yung use po ng pipes is to carry water and yung faucets is to carry out the water. And toilet and sinks, nagkikarry din po siya ng water and yung drains to take the water away. And saan nga po ba natin madalas ginagamit yung plumbing? Sa kitchen, sa bathroom, sa garden or houses, and buildings and schools, especially sa bahay. This is the fun facts about plumbing. The word plumbing comes from the Latin word plumbum, which means lead. Thank you for listening po.